Okay, so this came out great. As you can tell, with our nitrogen shield gas that we were using, look how beautiful that weld came out. I mean, that is gorgeous. That's almost impossible to do that quickly and that precisely with MIG or TIG. Just having a little bit of rotary assist with our handheld welder really opens up a realm of possibilities that you can utilize in your shop environment. Okay, that was an excellent weld. Now, as you can see, that was very controllable. Okay, we got a nice straight weld going on to this stainless steel pipe. So I just went from a flange weld to a pipe-to-pipe weld. I didn't have to change my IPG preset for this because I'm basically doing the same thing. There was no deformation there. That pipe is straight as an arrow. That flange is perfectly level and straight also. So this shows you the power of the IPG LightWELD 1500. You have this kind of capability in such a small package. To learn more about the LightWELD 1500, please click the link on the description below.